So this is our first night at the park called Three Flags. There's a cow field over here. Lily would love to see a cow. It's just like a zoo for her.
Whoa, cow! Oh, it's so cute. It's a cute cow. It has spikes on it.
This is a lizard house. Hey Lily, poke your head out. Say hi.
I'm allergic to bees, and there's just so many bees. Does anyone else have this problem? Feels good to be here. Does anyone else run out as soon as they're unhitched to get some sort of food, even though there's food in the house? Because you're just too lazy to make it? Because that's what happened to us today.
So this is the golf cart rental area. And yes, you can rent golf carts at this park. This is the golf course entrance also. T1 right here. And this is the beautiful golf course here at the Clerbrook Golf Course and RV Resort. Look at that, isn't that pretty? It sure is. You're gonna love it, guys. It's really pretty. And if you're into golf, that is. Now, if you're not into golf, then don't waste your time. So this is the golf carts. Of course, you can rent them here. This is a normal park. You get to rent golf carts. This one has a lot. Of course it does. They got a golf course. Pretty little fountain they've got out here. And there's the cool little bridge they've got going across their tiny little water thing. Hey, birds. These are called sandhill cranes, and they mate for life. They pair up and mate for life. This is the general store and pro shop. I'm going to give you a look at the map here. This is a cool park. It really is. It's nice. It's very well kept. All the neighbors have been nice. And you can see here, yeah, you can pause your screen there and take a look at that if you'd like. Please wash your feet. And it's open till 7 a.m. Let's take a look inside here. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Great, how are you?
Hey guys.
Good morning.
This is a wonderful smelling room. Smells like coffee.
Disinfectant.
Oh, yeah, I'm the same way. Oh, this is really cool. Oh yeah, look at here. Refreshments. Oh yeah, everything you could ever need. And that is the pro shop. And there's another look at the golf course from the side. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool golf course. A lot going on here. This park is focused on golf and has a lot of golf stuff. Of course it does. It's called a golf resort. But it does have some really good amenities because people that like golf like nice stuff. So everything here is nice. Everything. It's a really cool park.
You ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
You think so?
Right there?
Lily's favorite place.
Ground. just read the sign that says you have to be 16 and under to use the equipment here.
You need to call the authorities because she has been playing when she shouldn't be. Wah, wah, rules. Guess where we're at now? A place called Lake Magic. Check this out.
The camper. Yeah, we're on the camper show.
We're on the camper show.
I'm having a good day.
Hey y'all, so we got our new bikes out. We're gonna take them for a trip, our first inaugural trip. Got Lily on the back. Mama's right there, ready to go for a ride. You're gonna come with us. We're gonna check out a park.
Show us that.
Upper Hillsborough Preserve. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. Don't be afraid, sweetie. Everything is okay.
Mommy had to switch the legs. Okay.
It's good to take a little break anyways, right?
I really did need to. My heart rate is 167 right now. We've only been out here 8 minutes.
It's pretty cool though. Directly in front of you, you can see one of the majestic forests. Right there's a tree that's no longer majestic. Looks like a fire came through these parts and burned some of them down. Some of them made it, some of them didn't. Probably some snakes in there. Don't go in there. Which way, guys? Left or right? Left or right? Looks like we're going right. Ready to head back, okay. Very peaceful out here. You hear that, guys? That's the sounds of Florida nature here.
Do you want a drink, Lily?
This is what I was hoping to get. There's a little piece of nature with nobody at it, and we got it. Florida looks a little bit different than back home. It's 80 degrees out here today, guys.
It is February
9th, February 10th. February 10th, so it's about 80 degrees. It's a good day. Good day for cycling, okay. Oh, it'd be cool if we saw that turtle again. Look, right here. See him? So there's Turdie the Turtle. Oh, nope. He's back in.
Oh, are you kidding me?
America.
Hang on, Lily.
So that was our first bike ride through the Upper Hillsborough Preserve. Woo! There's Lily. There's our camper right there. And this is the railroad that keeps us up at night. All night long. So today we're just doing showing you what it's like to live in the camper on the weekends. And we get to do what we want. We are now cooking out, and we just rode our bikes around, and there's this cool little trail right behind the camper. And there is where we were earlier today. So we're right here, and you know the front is a nice little neighborhood area. You know, that's normal, but the back is what's really cool about this. So we'll see you soon. See you on the flippity flip. It's like a horse, huh? I'm a horse. Did you get the battery, the real battery?
Yes, I threw it on the ground.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it, threw it on the ground.